Polls dominated much discussion on the weekend. To win the general election, marginal seats are important, and I pointed out on Twitter that 2 seats which the PNP will likely have to win to swing the election their way. Those 2 seats are East St. Andrew and West Central St. James. I indicated that the Don Anderson poll showed the JLP's Marlene Malahoo fourth, ahead of the PNP's Dr. Andre Horton by 13 percentage points. Dr. Horton is not amused. He took to Twitter to discredit the Anderson poll as misleading. And in this post to his Instagram live, you will hear Dr. Horton saying, "That is why the party has to win, in order to get rid of people who mislead." Here's Andre Horton.
Yeah man, morning, my team. Just run go pick up a glee and I sit down and just try cook the books. So I interview some people, yeah, so 41 somebody say me is a hard worker, while 52 say Marlene help improve infrastructure. This a number of persons, you know. You get me? But at the number you don't have to pay attention to the one. 44 of them say always vote JLP. But if you're looking at mine, you now see that. Vision, as well the youths come from the era, one heap of thing. You see this I was say 44 of them say always vote JLP. That I show you say basically the numbers that we show you say they interview mainly JLP people, you know. So when I watch them polls there so man. The Thursday election they are counting. Boy them pay heavy for this. Yes, Dan and this year name a big food. Gonna write nonsense in a gleaner. But the fans them on the ground know what go on, man. This inconclusive. It's not a long life, you know, ball field me there. I show me get a gleaner and sit now, I sit there and put nonsense in them in a show. No? You see me? Polls them I try use when look on the statistics. 44 always vote JLP. So I be a JLP, the man go interview. Always vote JLP. Some of them people I say them a do poll, they don't have no academic background, they don't have no science, so all I sample them bias. And they really publish bias sample in a gleaner. And yo, now go need to get a class in a data collection, you know, man. That me go have to do, you know, man. Give them a big money a class in a data collection. Look for yourself. Always vote JLP. The man go to one place with one heap of JLP people and collect interview 50 people out of 30,000 and write this in a gleaner. There are a number of persons, you know. I must say 30,000 people in my constituency. Man never interviewed 300 people, brother. Because I can count the number of them. You see me? Some of them big man them will need a class in a data collection and data analysis. But don't worry yourself, that's exactly why we go win. Get rid of them people who are trying to mislead the crowd. So then obviously you man lead 33 to 20. And 47 say they're not sure if them will vote. It's a wicked set of people then. Alright, man, come on for live now, because I'm not having no time for waste. Big up on yourself.
Dr. Andre Horton, the PNP candidate for West Central St. James. Now, the bleeps you heard are not curse words, but stuff said by Dr. Horton, which, I'm not a lawyer, but they perhaps are libelous to Mr. Anderson, hence that piece of audio was eliminated. Now, my view on this matter, to disagree with a pollster is any candidate's right. I've even described myself as a cynic regarding polls. But to cast aspersions on the poll without conclusive evidence and suggesting impropriety is, in my view, to take it too far. And you heard Dr. Horton Kalila speaking about the fans who know what are going on. You see, who is he referring to as fans?
His fans.
Well, I don't know. I'd hate to think Dr. Horton thinks that's an appropriate way to describe the voting population. They're not your fans, Dr. Horton. These are people who you propose to give service to. But most troubling to me is Dr. Horton's comment. That's why we have to win. Get rid of some of them people there who are trying to mislead the crowd. Who are you going to get rid of Dr. Horton. I think the PNP president, Dr. Peter Phillips, the party's campaign directors, Philip Paulwell and Peter Bunting, and perhaps the General Secretary Julian Robinson, should rein in Andre Horton and cause him to apologize and retract those comments which may best be described as inflammatory. It's not acceptable. And I make a general call on all candidates and actors in the political space to rein in their emotions. There's a few days to go before the general election. Keep it calm. Execute your plans within the constraints of that which is just and appropriate, and get the process over with in a manner which Jamaica can say that the best traditions of our democratic society have been upheld. That's what's on my mind this morning.